If you ever stared at your closet and felt like there was still nothing you could wear, this video is for you. Buying outfits that's completely changed the way I get dressed.
And I'm feeling good.
For the longest time, I thought I needed more clothes, but in actual fact what I needed was fewer decisions. Once I started buying sets, getting dressed became so much easier. Exhibit A. This here is just a skirt and a top, and all I had to do was pick it up and put it on. The nice thing about sets is that somebody has already done the styling for you. All you have to do is pick it up and put it on. The colors match, the fabrics work together, and the proportions just make sense. So literally your work is just to pull it out of your wardrobe and put it on. That easy. No overthinking. Imagine you had an event to go to, right? Or a little outing, brunch with your girl, or just a date out with your man, and you had this in your closet. This is a skirt set. This is how it looks on front. The entire set is just white, but when you dressed, it's just giving angel vibes. And the nice thing about sets is it just looks so, it looks like you did, you look put together. It looks like you care. It's giving well thought of because somebody has already done that on your behalf, and all you had to do was pull up and put it on. That's it. Even as much as they're simple, they give off that she has her life together vibe, It's giving effortlessly put together. You may be thinking to yourself, so am I just gonna be wearing sets all the time? Am I gonna be that girl who, is always looking, wearing the same color of everything all the time? So here's the nice thing about sets, right? You have a full option of dressing it as it is, the top and the bottom. You can do that. But also, you can actually mix them. Right? You see how I'm wearing this top and its skirt, right? Alternatively, I can wear, you see how this still works, That's the skirt from a different set, the top from a different set, and both of them look but also the thing is, even if you are not going to mix it, even this as it is, it's still another fine set. Okay, I don't know if the set is fine or I'm the fine one, but something's going on here. And like I'm telling you guys, these are low effort outfits. Like, the styling has already been done for you. Your purpose is to basically pull up and dress up. Okay, you just come in and you look good. So this here is a top, by the way, that you tie from here, and then you wrap it around. I want to show you guys, but I fear that is what I fear, because this is the one that's covering my boob. So anyway, So then you take that and this and you wrap it around. You may take this all the way to the back. I prefer for it to be on the side. It's really up to you at the end of the day. The outfit is yours. So then you pull up, you wear your finest shoes, hold your clutch bag, your handbag, whatever you feel comfortable with on that day, and you strut. Act like you don't give up. I need you to strut. Okay? Guys, you have no idea how easy life is when you have sets. Are like, you know how the nice thing about dresses is they do that as soon as you wear it, your entire body is covered, right? You don't have to start wondering about the top or the bottom. Sets are the same thing. As soon as you know you have a particular set, you know for sure it means the bottom and the top are already covered. So you don't gotta think too much. This saves so much time. Okay? And like I was saying, let me show you all what it looks like when you're mixing and matching the sets. And if you are looking for a soft feminine intentional vibe, there are colors that usually exude that, you know, so that when you are dressed, you come off as that hand. That hand, okay? And also, it's giving. I have to hold the skirt because it's actually very long. If you have a set, right, you'll find that if you have a top as cute as this one, it gives you the leverage to use it with just about anything other than pairing a set with another set, another clothing item from another set. This would also go just fine with probably a pair of pants, some jeans, you know, dude, it's like you bought two clothes for one and the other one can always be used for whatever. You can use even the bottom to pair them with different tops that are not their tops, as we've already done here, or the top with other bottoms that are not it's a set, it's part of a set, and then the whole thing just looks good. So like I'm saying, I'm putting it on. It doesn't have to be just the skirt type of thing. Even the pants, there are pants that are pants set that you could, you know, if you would like, you could go for those as well. And they also come off giving the vibe and helping you not to think too much, honestly, because the idea is just to take away the load of having to figure out what to wear. There's been times where I get so much anxiety from trying to figure out what to wear, to a point where I just resort to say, hey, I don't think I'll get it, because now I'm just getting stressed trying to figure it out. But sets make it so easy to figure the whole thing out. They look intentional, they look put together, they just make life so much easier. You just pick the item, you put it on. If you want to style, you can pair the item with something else. This top still goes just fine with these pants. And these pants are also part of a set that I'm just about to wear and show you guys how it works out. So all the different sets just work out together. All the different sets do work out together just like that. So you just have to, like for example with this top, I wouldn't ideally wear it with these pants, because these are high-waisted and the top kind of, you know, all this wrapping around, it means it kind of goes even to longer parts down there, so that wouldn't work out with this top. So those are like a few of the things that you will notice, that when it comes to styling, you then have to pay attention to the type of which you are pairing what with what, if I'm making sense. Because if something needs a room, but they're not bad together, they're just not the best. But yes, that is how it looks. Let me show you guys how this set looks. As I was saying, you can also do pen set, and those work just fine. See? So this one is a set, right? And my camera is too. So this is how this set looks. And like I've said, it's not just about the skirts, even the pants. You can go for the pants set. If you're gonna look at like what you wanna wear to the airport, guys, like sets eat all the time, okay? Unless of course you are into like styling a whole lot, but at the same time, the buy one get one free vibe, okay? Just look at how cute this is, and I don't even have to think about if it could be cute. I saw it, I thought it was cute, and I liked it. So that is the benefits, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. So you let me know which of the fits you liked best, and if you are into getting sets, or you just like mixing pieces, or even if you would be willing to try out sets, because you can have both. Like I, for one, I do have the kind that needs you to like think about what can fit with what, but at the same time there are days where I don't want to think too much, and if I could pick a set and it's already done, and the set is already done for me, bring it. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and to comment, let me know which was your favorite fit, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye.